Hello friends, and welcome back to English Lit Stories. Today, you're going to learn the 50 most common English expressions used at home, the same expressions families use every single day.
Yes, these expressions are simple, powerful, and super useful. If you learn them, you can understand almost 90% of the English used inside a home, with parents, children, brothers, sisters, and family members.
If you're new here, let me tell you something very clearly. This channel is designed especially for English learners who want to understand and speak English naturally, not by memorizing boring rules, but by learning from real-life situations.
Exactly. Here on English Lit Stories, we teach English using real conversations, real-life stories, daily situations, and practical learning tips. Everything we create is guided by top language experts so that learning feels easy, natural, and fast, even if you are a complete beginner.
When you watch our videos, you don't just learn English, you live English. We show you how people speak at home, at work, in shops, at restaurants, on the phone, with friends, with family, everywhere. And because these situations are familiar to you, your brain learns much faster. You recognize patterns, you hear the rhythm of real English, and speaking becomes easier before you even realize it.
And don't worry about your level. Our videos are made for A1 and A2 learners, and even higher levels benefit from them. We speak slowly, we repeat important phrases, we give simple examples, and we explain every expression clearly, just like a friendly teacher who's sitting right beside you.
And before we begin today's lesson, we want to make one small request. If you enjoy learning English in a natural and simple way, if you want daily content, real-life expressions, simple conversations, helpful stories, and powerful learning tips, then please subscribe to English Lit Stories right now. Also like the video, leave a comment, and share it with one friend who wants to learn English. Your support helps us create more helpful lessons for you every single day.
All right, let's begin. Emily, what's our first one today?
Our first is set the table. It means prepare the table for a meal.
Like putting plates, spoons, forks, and glasses?
Exactly. Imagine it's dinner time, and mom calls you, "Please set the table for dinner." You pick up the plates, put them neatly, arrange the spoons and forks, and maybe even fold a napkin. It's simple, but it's a way to help everyone and be part of family life.
That makes sense. So after eating, we use clear the table, right?
Yes, that means removing plates, cups, and cleaning the table. Like after lunch, Dad might say, "Clear the table when you're done." And the little one might carry the dishes to the kitchen. It teaches responsibility too.
And of course, wash your hands is used many times a day.
Absolutely. It means clean your hands with soap and water. A mother might say, "Wash your hands before eating." You can even turn it into a little routine. Sing a short song while washing. It's simple, but it keeps you healthy and is part of everyday life.
I love the next one. Dinner is ready.
Such a happy sentence. It means the food is prepared and everyone can come eat. Imagine sitting with your family after a long day and mom calls, "Dinner is ready." You feel welcomed and everyone gathers happily around the table.
And come downstairs?
It means come to the lower floor. For example, "Come downstairs. Breakfast is ready." Sometimes kids are upstairs playing, and this is a gentle way to call them,
Then we have go upstairs.
which means go to the upper floor, like go upstairs and get your book. Maybe your school bag is on the bed or your pajamas are in your room. Simple and practical.
Wake up.
Stop sleeping. Parents say, "Wake up, it's time for school." Sometimes you might want 5 more minutes, but it's a useful phrase to start the day.
And get up means stand from the bed.
Yes, wake up, get up now. It's slightly more active. You're moving your body after waking.
Hurry up.
Means do something faster. Parents might say, "Hurry up, we're getting late." It's also useful for kids learning to manage time, like before school or when leaving the house.
Slow down.
Go more slowly. Like, slow down while walking on stairs. It helps prevent accidents and shows care in family life.
Turn down the volume.
Make the sound lower. Parents say, turn down the volume, please. Maybe the TV is loud and someone is trying to sleep.
Turn up the volume.
Opposite, increase the sound. Like, turn up the volume, I can't hear the TV. Simple, right?
Do your homework.
Complete your schoolwork. Parents say, go do your homework now. And you can even say it to a sibling in a friendly reminder style.
Clean your room.
Organize your room. Clean your room before playing. It teaches responsibility and helps keep the house tidy.
Make the bed.
Arrange your blanket and pillows neatly. Make your bed every morning. This is a simple habit that starts your day in an organized way.
Take the trash out.
Remove garbage. Take the trash out before it smells. Very practical for kids helping at home.
Do the dishes.
Wash plates and utensils. Can you do the dishes tonight? Kids can take turns. It's teamwork in action.
Sweep the floor.
Clean the floor with a broom. Sweep the floor, please. It's another way to be helpful around the house.
Mop the floor.
Clean the floor with water. Mop the kitchen floor, it's dirty. Teaching kids to keep things clean and neat.
Bring me the remote.
Give me the TV remote. Bring me the remote, please. A classic family phrase, very practical.
Come eat.
Food is ready. Come eat, lunch is ready. Shows care and sharing.
I'm coming.
Means, I will come soon. Dinner's ready. I'm coming. Short and polite.
What's going on?
What is happening? Families use it when there's noise or confusion. What's going on? Why is everyone laughing?
Be quiet.
Stop making noise. Be quiet. The baby is sleeping. Important at home.
Don't make a mess.
Don't make things dirty. Don't make a mess while eating. Small, clear, easy to remember.
Come help me.
I need help. Come help me carry this. Shows teamwork and care.
Do you need help?
Can I help you? Do you need help with your homework? Friendly and polite.
Wait a minute.
Please wait for a short time. Wait a minute, I'm coming. Useful in many situations.
Hold on.
Similar, wait a moment. Hold on, I'll check.
Let me check.
I will look or confirm something. Let me check the fridge.
Are you okay?
Is everything fine? Are you okay? You look tired.
Calm down.
Relax, don't be upset. Calm down, everything is fine.
Don't worry.
It's okay, relax. I will help you.
Take your time.
No need to hurry. Take your time, I'm not in a rush.
Get ready.
Prepare yourself. Get ready, we're going out.
I'm tired.
I need rest. I'm tired. I need a break.
I'm hungry.
I want food. I'm hungry. What's for dinner?
I'm thirsty.
I want something to drink. I'm thirsty. Can I have some water?
And finally,
Good night.
sleep well.
Good night.
Good night.
Emily, it's amazing how many phrases we use every day at home. So simple, yet so important.
Absolutely. These phrases cover almost everything you need to talk naturally with your family.
Practicing these every day helps you speak confidently, even if you don't have a tutor or speaking partner.
Yes, repeat them, use them at home, and soon your English will feel completely natural.
Don't forget to subscribe to English Lit Stories, like this video, and share it with friends. Comment below which phrases you use the most at home.
Keep learning, keep speaking, and enjoy your English journey.